Hey guys, it's Sam from Minimal Desk Setups. Welcome to the first video review that we're dropping on our channel. So over the last month or so, every single post that we've seen on Instagram has featured a monitor lamp of some sort. So we thought that we'd review the monitor lamp that has been my daily driver for the last year or so. And that monitor lamp is the Xiaomi Mijia computer monitor lamp. So let's take a look. Well, let's take a look at the packaging. When I got this, the packaging wasn't in good shape. And I think that's kind of a given when you're buying from overseas. More importantly, the light bar itself was not damaged and was in perfect condition. Straight out of the box, we get the light bar, the remote, the Type-C USB cable, the mount, and the manual, which is in Chinese. It's fairly easy to install. First, the light bar gets magnetically attached to the mount and the USB cable powers the light. The remote is also very easy to set up. All you need to do is rotate the bottom to the unlock position and the base plate will come off. Put the batteries in and line up the dots on the base plate with the lock and you're good to go. To operate it, all you need to do is press down to turn it on, rotate to change the brightness, press down and rotate to change the color temperature, and finally press down again to turn it off. Well, firstly, running Minimal Desk Setups, you can tell we're all about the aesthetics. So let's comment on that first. I think the premium polished aluminum finish on the light bar itself really adds to the clean look. You know how much we preach about having wireless peripherals, and the wireless dial really does it for us. Running a light theme setup, I really wish somehow there was a white version of the dial, but for me, that's not a deal breaker. In terms of function, compared to the BenQ, it does indeed lack the automatic dimming function, but I really don't mind it. I noticed that the auto dimming on the BenQ still has room to improve as well. Sometimes it doesn't get the lighting right, so in this case, I actually prefer to have the manual control. Main benefits of using monitor lamps are that it not only removes the necessity of having a table lamp, but also prevents glare from your monitor. The Xiaomi monitor lamp does pretty well in giving you a couple of degrees of adjustment. Because it magnetically attaches, I like that it allows you to freely adjust the beam of light onto your workspace. I did notice that it doesn't perfectly clamp onto your monitor at the back and tilts forward slightly, but that's because my monitor doesn't allow the counterweight to fully pull the monitor bar back. To fix this, I just applied some tension on the USB cord and that fixes it. The remote works flawlessly, and having the ability to freely adjust the color temperature and the brightness is really cool. These are usually features that are not offered by a cheaper monitor lamp. For example, the Baseus only comes with 3 color temperature modes. I got mine for roughly $55 when it first came out, and it was definitely worth the investment. I hope you all enjoyed my review on the Xiaomi monitor lamp. Please subscribe to our channel as we look to drop more content on desk revamps and other reviews. Thanks.